Okay, so for number 10, again, you're doing a compound problem. I have the 4,150 equals my initial amount. My rate was 0.09 or 9%, compounded quarterly or every 3 months, and I'm looking for t. So I divide over the 2,300, convert to log form, divide by 4 after you type this in your calculator, and you should get that t equals 6.631 years. Number 11 again is tricky because they tell us that this laptop is worth $550 after 2 years. So I have to plug in the 550 and the 2 for time, or for the years, and first I have to solve for k. Now that I know k, I can plug that in and figure out how much the laptop is worth after 3 years, which is only $380.13. Please make sure that things are logical. If after 2 years the laptop has depreciated to $550, you should have expected that after 3 years your laptop should be worth even less than $550. On number 12, it's missing the piece of information, but all I did was look it up or Google it, that I sub 0 is equal to 1 on the Richter scale. So when you plug in the 1 right here into the formula, you get 5 point equals log of I pretty much, and then I converted it, the base here is 10, so 10 to the 5.8 power is what the intensity of the earthquake was. And then number 13 again is a harder problem because there's multiple steps. I used the formula they gave me. I plugged in the 300,000, and then I need to go through all these steps and solve for k. So first thing to do is I multiplied the denominator over, and then I divided the 300,000 back the other way and get 5/3. And then I subtracted 1, and so you get 6e to the 4k equals 2/3. Converted this to log form, so you get ln of 1/9 equals 4k. And then I typed this in my calculator and divided by 4, and so k is about negative 0.549. Use this number and I plug it back in to find out how many units I can produce after 8 years, because it says in the problem that t equals 0 is equal to 2,000. So in 2008, time would have been 8 years. I just typed this in one foul swoop in my calculator, and you should have gotten this as an answer, which is the same thing as 465,439.529 units, or you would round this up to a whole unit. Hopefully you did well on these problems, because all of these are very good examples of what could and will show up on your tests next week.